we will tell you the 9 passive income ideas to become a millionaire. The last passive income is what I am exactly doing now. So watch this video till the end to know it. Now let's start. Number 1. Accumulate points through online transactions. By utilizing Swagbucks, you can accumulate points for the online shopping you are already engaging in at popular retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks. Additionally, you can accumulate additional points by engaging with videos on diverse subjects, exploring the internet, and participating in surveys. Those points can be redeemed for gift cards to your preferred retailers or converted into cash back through PayPal. Similar to Swagbucks, Inbox Dollar offers the opportunity to generate residual income by engaging in online activities you already partake in. In addition, you can earn income by engaging in a diverse range of activities with Swagbucks, such as checking emails and playing games. The overall concept and reward structures are very similar. Inbox Dollars offers a $5 sign-up bonus. However, it's important to note that you will need to accumulate a total of $30 in rewards before you can access that bonus. Number 2. Optimize your vehicle for financial benefits. One daily activity that can be transformed into a source of passive income is driving. If you're already out and about for errands, consider the potential benefits of offering a ride to a passenger or two. Utilizing your vehicle for ride sharing can generate income by transporting individuals to their designated locations. Consider the opportunity to generate additional income by placing advertisements on your vehicle as you navigate your daily routes. Indeed, businesses are willing to invest significantly in having you promote their products effortlessly while you are on the go. Your vehicle serves as a more effective advertisement than a traditional billboard. Consider the potential to generate income from your vehicle even when it's not in use, whether you're on vacation, traveling, or simply during a regular workday. Utilizing an app such as Get Around can provide you with the opportunity to generate significant income by renting out your vehicle during periods of non-use. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button if you want to know more passive income ideas to earn more money. Number 3. Consider opening a high-yield savings account. You may have overlooked this strategy upon your initial review. It's understandable. Traditional banks are currently offering interest rates that are at historically low levels. However, digital banking institutions are creating a significant impact. They have begun providing attractive interest rates that can enhance your savings potential. CIT Bank offers a competitive return of 1.55% on your savings, providing an opportunity for growth in your financial portfolio. Wealth is not solely derived from money itself. Rather, it's about leveraging opportunities that come at no cost to you. The absence of monthly fees presents a significant advantage with this bank, enhancing your overall financial strategy. Another viable choice is Discover. Discover provides competitive rates on their savings accounts, similar to CIT Bank. One significant advantage of Discover is the absence of a required minimum opening balance. Well, the apps, websites, and banks discussed in this video are not for promotion, so you must do your research before taking any actions. Number 4. Consider renting out a room in your home. Consider utilizing your spare bedroom by renting it out on Airbnb for additional income. The decision regarding room availability, daily rates, and guest regulations rests entirely with you. One effective strategy to generate income during your vacation or while you're away is to consider renting out your entire property on Airbnb. Rental income is a dependable and consistent source of revenue. Ultimately, some individuals choose to invest in rental properties. However, this option typically involves a higher barrier to entry. Acquiring an investment property for rental purposes is not feasible for everyone. Number 5. Consider allocating funds to crowdfunded real estate opportunities. For an initial investment of $500, you have the opportunity to begin your journey in real estate investing through a starter portfolio offered by Fundrise. By investing in a REIT, you can benefit from increased flexibility and the potential for significant returns. The performance reports suggest that your initial investment is projected to yield returns of 12.25%. Another option in the realm of crowdfunding real estate is Realty Share. The investment opportunity resembles Fundrise. However, the minimum investment required is $5,000. This platform offers enhanced control over your financial decisions. You have the autonomy to select the properties you wish to invest in, rather than depending on the overall performance of the entire portfolio. Number 6. Consider allocating funds to stocks that provide dividends. Investing in stocks that provide quarterly dividends is a time-tested strategy for generating passive income effectively. Imagine purchasing shares of Colgate-Palmolive stock. Investing in stocks typically leads to an appreciation in price over time, and you can expect to receive dividends for each share you hold. In the last 7 years, Colgate-Palmolive has consistently distributed quarterly dividends ranging from 34 cents to 68 cents per share to its shareholders. To enhance your long-term investment strategy, consider the benefits of reinvesting those dividends. If your primary goal is to generate passive income, it would be wise to consider cashing in on those dividends. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. To achieve a return rate that exceeds the average on your investment, you might want to explore the opportunity of joining the lending club. The lending club utilizes your investment to assist individuals in securing loans for various purposes, including starting a business, consolidating debt, and covering medical expenses. This approach effectively bolsters the global entrepreneurial community. Consider allocating your resources to projects that capture your interest and align with your vision for success. It resembles the role of providing capital to a new venture. Investing in promising opportunities could lead you to significant returns. Alternatively, you might consider it a philanthropic contribution, providing support to individuals in need. It's possible to generate additional income while also making a positive impact. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing, you can generate income by endorsing a product and receiving a commission for your efforts. It is essential to ensure that the product you endorse online is one you are knowledgeable about and genuinely believe to be of high quality. There are several strategies to initiate your journey as an affiliate. Establishing an affiliate relationship directly with a particular company can be a strategic move. Another option for generating income is to utilize a commission platform such as Commission Factory or LTK. Consider enrolling in the Amazon affiliate program. Establishing an online presence provides you with a platform to offer insights and share your expertise regarding various products. Next, incorporate affiliate links to enable tracking of your sales by the affiliate. This component is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. A blog can provide various opportunities for generating income. In addition to generating passive income through affiliate commissions, there are also opportunities to earn revenue from advertising. Number 9. Develop and market an online course. It's possible that you possess specialized knowledge and a high level of expertise in a specific area. Your extensive experience and acquired skills can be leveraged to generate income effectively. Consider developing an online course that allows you to share your expertise, whether it's in algebra or guitar. This could be a valuable opportunity to monetize your knowledge. Platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable offer a user-friendly experience that simplifies the learning process. Enrolling is straightforward, and the platforms provide ample assistance to help you begin your journey. The primary obstacle to participation is the development of the course itself. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the goals you should reach by your 50s. If you reach these goals before your 50s, you could enjoy a happy retirement. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more financial tips and secrets.